Hi, this is Lindsay again. I'm starting on the armor for Astrid. And right now I'm just hot gluing them together. Now they're all pieced together, and I'm just trimming them from the edges to smooth like this. So it looks more put together. Then that one I still need to do. This one's almost finished. Then I'm going to put this duct tape on it so it seems like metal, like these thorns. So I'm going to show you what they look like when I'm finished skimming this down. Okay, I finished putting together the armor plates. They kind of look like really thick bananas, but that's okay. And so I'll try and see. They will go kind of like this, and on the shoulder like that when I put it on her shirt. And I'm also going to start looking at the skirt tomorrow at nighttime, which will be made with fabric. I'll use this, and then I'll glue on the thorns, and then put duct tape on this probably a little later. And yeah. Oh, I also got this shirt for Hiccup. Just a little sweater that my friend gave me that she says she never wears, so I can do anything I want with it. So I'll be putting the string along here. Okay. I'm just making the armor and putting the duct tape on it. Make it seem shiny. And I put these tinfoil balls on here to make it look like she has those little thorn things on there. Right now I'm finishing the other one. Okay, the armor is done. I'm just letting those sit, and now I'm making the skirt for Astrid. It's kind of a fuzzy fabric. I didn't really feel like getting leather because that's kind of hard to sew. But basically, there are these strips that I'm just sewing to make them look more like that. And then I'm going to put the thorns on them like that. Yeah. But I have like different sizes too, so it'll go from like big, smaller, and then smallest, just so it looks a little better. And now I'm just sewing these all together, and then I'm going to sew these to that strip, and then I'm going to put Velcro on it so my friend can easily put it around her waist. And I also have this piece that'll go around her head like a headband, and that will also have Velcro on it so she can easily take it off. So basically, that's all I'm doing for the rest of the night. Since Anime Boston is in less than a week, it is now Saturday, and I am going to be leaving on Thursday afternoon. Actually, no, I'm going to be going home Thursday afternoon from college, since I'm only 45 minutes away from Boston. And then I'll be leaving to go home Thursday night, and then Friday morning I'm going to be driving to pick up my friends to go back into Boston to go to Anime Boston. our passes and stuff, and then just have an awesome time swimming at the pool and go to the rave. That's gonna be awesome. Actually, never been to a rave. Wonder how that's gonna go. Probably. Oh, I know. Then Saturday we're gonna spend the whole day at the Sheraton Hotel in Boston, just like running around. I'm gonna be running around in my dragon costume, freaking everyone out. Maybe I'll try and get like a picture of me and my friend Kate, just like me, like on the ground, like on my forelegs, and maybe she's like gonna sit on me like she's riding me like in the movie, but I don't know if that would work with the wings because they're very fragile. But this is also another update, so I'll probably add another video onto this if I finish all the skirt tonight. Okay, I finished the skirt. I added the thorns. Now they're drying. And tomorrow I'm going to add Velcro right here so that it will attach to that side. And my friend can put it on easily and take it off whenever. Okay, that's the end of for today. I got a lot done, thank God. And it's dark out, as you can see. And I am done. I am so tired. And here are the under outfits. This skirt is going to go under that one. There's Astra's green shirt, and then here is the vest and green shirt for Hiccup. They have sleeves, so I just tucked them under there. That's it. I will see you guys later at another time. Bye.
Halfway gone, I'm halfway gone. You were always hard to hold, so letting go ain't easy. I'm hanging on to growing cold, while my mind is leaving. Talk is cheap. Give me a word you can keep. 'Cause I'm halfway gone and I'm on my way, and I'm feeling this way. 'Cause you're halfway in, but don't take too long. 'Cause I'm halfway gone, I'm halfway gone. Halfway gone, halfway gone. You got one foot out the door and choking on the other, always thinking something more is just around the corner. Talk is cheap. Give me a word you can keep. 'Cause I'm happy.